Here we go with example 4 from section 9.3. Find the value of each variable. And we'll start with, okay, so in red, I wrote down a little brief summary of my own words of the geometric mean altitude theorem and the geometric mean leg theorem, just to kind of help me. I'm not going to have that memorized very well, and I want to make sure I do it right. And so I just kind of wrote a little short explanation of what it is in my own words. So the geometric mean of the altitude theorem is the altitude equals the product of both segments of the hypotenuse. So for A, x, this is my altitude, and I'm given the two segments, the lengths of the two segments of the hypotenuse. And so I know I'm going to use this one. And the product is when you do multiplication. Product of both segments of the hypotenuse. Well, here's this segment and here's this segment. So I'm going to do x squared equals 10 times 4. I guess I should, that would be important. It's squared. Oh no, that's fine. The length of the altitude, the geometric mean of the lengths of the two segments. Yeah. I got a squared. Okay. And so now I have x squared equals 40. The square root of that, x equals square root of 40. Do I need to break that down? Probably. So let's see, I'll go over here. 40, I'll do my factor tree. 2 into 40 is 20, 2 into 20 is 10, 2 and 5. Well, I know I have a 2 that I can pull out, but that 2 and 5 I can't, so I'm left with the square root of 10 inside. So x is 2 square root of 10. Okay, I hope you can see that. Now, B, we're looking for y, which is a leg of a triangle. So I'm using geometric mean leg theorem. So I'm going to have my y squared equals the hypotenuse, which is this whole thing here, the hypotenuse, 3 and 8 is 11, times the adjacent segment of the hypotenuse. This segment right here is the one that's adjacent to the leg, and it's part of the hypotenuse, so I'm going to use that. So y squared equals 33, y equals square root of 33, and 33 doesn't break down, so there's my answer.